Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor Injimogu, and today we are going to be talking about 5 things that I've learned from Facebook ads that have helped increase my sales over time. But before we go into this video, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Have you? If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please endeavor to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I share useful information about e-commerce business, things, useful tips and strategies that can help you in your e-commerce business based on experience, not theory. Everything I share on this channel is something that I've learned, something that I've experienced in my own personal e-commerce business. I have my own personal e-commerce business, Mega Life Global Solutions, with staff that I pay. And I've been in the game for a while, so I have 1 or 2 things to share with you. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and also leave a comment. So without much further ado, let's go straight into this video. So I've learned so many things on Facebook ads. I've been running Facebook ads since 2018, since I came into the game. Facebook ad is one of the most major traffic platforms for people who sell online, and I've been running Facebook ads for a while now, so I know a thing or two that can help anyone, both the newbie and the most experienced people. It can help you boost your sales. So number one of the things I've learned about Facebook ads is that creative is the most important thing. Creatives, the first thing that people see before they buy your product is the creative. That's the first thing that will make them either stop and click or scroll away. Creative is the most important thing. I see so many people, they go and invest their money in buying products. You buy product, they're full everywhere, stack everywhere, but when you ask them about their marketing strategy, how do you intend to make this product sell, everywhere goes silent. No, whenever you are trying to sell a product, you want to make sure that you understand the marketing. You have marketing strategy, well documented marketing strategy, because it's not just about selling 1 or 2 or selling a few products. You want to have longevity in selling that product, and what will determine longevity in that selling that product is how you come up with creative, your marketing angles. If you need to create a marketing team, please do create marketing team. If you don't have the budget for marketing team, you sit down and do marketing by yourself. It's not bad if you carry a video, if you make a video about the product you're selling. I do it till now, I still do it. Any product I want to sell, I even like selling products that I can easily get on the camera and market the products rather than always relying on external people to do the marketing for me. I like selling products I can market by myself so that I will know what is working, because creatives is very, very important in this game. If you want to sell 1,000 pieces, 2,000 pieces, like last year now we did over 2,000 sales, it is creative. You have to come up with multiple angles. You have to sit down and ask yourself, how many angles can I come up with for this product that will make people interested in it for the long period of time, not just 1 or 2. You want to make sure different creative, different angles, both videos, both thumbnails, both headlines, both ad copy. You want to brainstorm, and thank God for the help of ChatGPT these days. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm different things that you can, different marketing angles. ChatGPT is there for you. And Claude is there for you. Use them to your advantage. Let them give you new angles, new headlines, new ad copies, new video scripts, new headline thumbnail scripts, everything, because that in fact, let me tell you one thing I've noticed, that the product I think is not selling is the creative. Sometimes you might think that, this product is not more running again, that sharp people are not buying. No, sometimes it's your creative. Go and check. You will notice that if you sit down and strategize about your creative, you will see results. You will start seeing results again. That product I think is not selling will revamp again. I've seen it many times in this game. So creatives is everything. That's the first thing that I've learned about Facebook ads. So number 2, If a video suddenly stops converting, use that same video but change the thumbnail. Don't abandon it. See, videos, especially videos for Facebook ad, they can stand the test of time even more than images. Yes, you can use one video again and again and again and again and again and again to sell thousands, hundreds and thousands of products. One video can make a lot of sales, but it does not mean that video will just last forever. It just be there and just be giving you orders every time. No, you have to. One thing I've noticed that there was a time I shot a video. I had a video for a product I was selling. I ran the video gave me about 400 orders. But after that 400 to 200 orders, I say after 1 month of that video giving me about 200 to 400 orders, I noticed that the performance started to drop drastically. It dropped. I tried launching the video. It was not working. It wasn't just everywhere. It just went flat. It wasn't just working. That same video. So something now say, what is happening? What can I do? And I went to go and research all that, because I know e-commerce businesses that are actually doing well. You will know from their ads. So I went to study other e-commerce business people that are doing well, and I noticed that most of them were using one video but so many thumbnails. Like they are testing multiple thumbnails or one video. And I said, okay, let me try this thing again. I went and designed one thumbnail. I designed like 5 different thumbnails first. I tested it. The first one did not work like that. The second, in fact, I tested. If you see my dashboard, you will see like long term every testing, and I was burning money. On testing, but in fact, let me not lie, I was tired of like testing. I was like, God, I'm just burning money on this. Are you sure this thing will work? Normally, I launch my ads in the evening time, but I just like. That day I was so discouraged. I just said I'm not launching anything. I don't want to go and sleep. Then the next morning I now woke up and I said, okay, let me try again. And I'll just launch. And now picked one set of new creative again and just tested it. If you see the way things pick up, my first order came at 800 naira. 800 naira. This is something I was talking about. I'll be getting conversion 5,000 naira. How much be the product? How much be the product? I was getting conversion at 5,000, but by the time I tested new creative, I was getting conversion at 600 naira. That same video, I just changed the thumbnail, nothing special. I just changed the thumbnail of that same video. I just used another video that I've designed and create a new thumbnail. Simple. That's why it's good to hire UGC content creators, and it's good to hire people that know how to design creative, but you want to make sure that you know how to do it by yourself. In fact, before you delegate anything outside to another person, make sure you know how to do it by yourself. Thank God I know how to design creative cheaply, because what if I was just delegating everything? I'll just be paying people, and then I'll not be seeing results and I'll be burning money. But thank God I know how to sit down and design creative. So if you have not watched my previous video about how to use Canva to design creative, go and watch it. It will help you. Even if you're an expert or you already know, you can just go and learn it to help you for your business. So when a video is not converting, stop converting. Don't abandon that video. Milk it. It's not easy to find something that works in e-commerce, so you have to make sure you milk the one you have. Milk it. Make sure you have done everything until that video stop working. Like milk it, because it's not easy to find winner. Once you find a winner, milk it. Don't abandon the video. Change the thumbnail. So I don't want to make this video too long. Number 3, low prices doesn't necessarily mean low cost per conversion. I've seen some people that want to say their product 10,000 now. It will decrease the price. See, it does not necessarily mean that because the price is very, very low, you are going to get low cost per conversion. That's not how it works. It's not how it works. People are not just looking for the cheapest product out there. They are looking for good offer. So work on your creative, work on your offer, work on your sales page, and price your product in a way that is profitable for you. In fact, there was a point I was selling 15,000 naira before. I was selling it 15,000 naira. The conversion was okay, but I noticed that people were just going for the cheapest version. You know what I did? I increased that price to 18,500, and then I now gave free gifts for people that order for 2 bottles of that same product. I just added free gift and increased the price of the first one. Others came in. Majority of the people were now ordering for the second offer instead of the first one, because I was also wondering, how can I be running ad, doing logistics, paying everything, and I'm getting only orders for 15,000 naira, which is not good in this economy. I was like, no, we have to change that thing. So what I did, I increased the price of the first offer and then gave people more discounts when they order for the 2 bottles, and even gave them one free gift again, and people now went and start ordering for the second offer. So low prices doesn't necessarily mean that you will get low cost per conversion. What you should be working on is your offer, your price, and your sales page. Very, very important. Take notes. So number four, always try to add more products to give customers more reason to spend more from you. If you can, add more products. Thank God that in our own business, we kind of manufacture our own products that we are selling, so we can do this very well. It's not easy because it's not easy to buy one product and stock everywhere. It's not easy, talk less of adding more and more products. But if you can, introduce more products on your sales page. It's like products that complement the main products. Like if you are selling a wristwatch, you can sell a face cap too. You can sell an eyeglass instead of just selling that wristwatch. In fact, even instead of giving free gifts, using some product that you are adding as free gifts, customer can buy that product they are adding as free gift sef. That extra product that I think you are adding as free gift, customer can buy it separately. They will order for the first one and order for the second product again. You want to give customers more incentive to buy from you. Like just consider your e-commerce business, your website as a shop. When you go into, have you experienced this when you enter into supermarkets? You enter into a supermarket, you wanted to buy one thing, but by the time you enter into the supermarket, you see different things. You end up picking 1, picking 2, picking 3, picking 4. Before you know, you are spending more than what you bargained, what you wanted to spend for initially. That's the same thing in your website. When you enter into your sales, when people enter your sales page, you want to give them more things that they can order from you apart from what they saw on your ad. You want to give them more complementary products to help you make more money and to help you make more profit on your cost per conversion. If your cost per conversion is 3,000 naira and people are coming to your website to come and spend 18,500, but when they see more products, they might end up spending 30,000, 50,000. Like today now, there's one order that came in. You wanted to just spend 18,500, we ended up spending 56,000 because we have multiple products in our sales page that like helps people, encourages people to spend more. I talked about this in our interest sell-up funnel course. I have it below. You can go and get that course so I can understand exactly what I'm talking about here, to give you a detailed understanding of it. So, and to show you how to include it in your sales page. So number 5, mix both video and text in your sales letter if possible. Now, before, I used to believe that long sales page is the baba for sales, for converting people, but nowadays, if you check, we consume more videos than we read text. If you go on Instagram now, so video you go dey watch. Now so video you go dey watch. How many times do you sit down to read long text? That's the same thing with your customer too. They are more prone, they're more likely to watch a video than to read long text. So you want to blend both. I know say you should cancel text to blend both into your sales letters. It will get you more conversion. In fact, everything that you're writing in text, you can do simple voiceover video and you explain everything and people will watch that video and go and order. Simple and short. It's easy for people to consume video than reading long text. So add both of them to your sales page to get more conversions. That's 5 things now. But I have one extra tip. Have proper follow-up strategy. Your follow-up strategy should not just end in calling up customer. You see, when you get a customer, one thing you must understand about business, e-commerce, is that customer is key. They are more important than your product. Whatever, I don't give a fuck about whatever product you are selling. The customer is key. You want to have proper follow-up strategy. You want someone to come to your website. There are many people that will come to your website that they will see your products, but they are not financially ready that time to order, but they are interested. You want to give those type, or there are some people that will come to your sales page, they see your product, they are interested, but they don't have, they want more clarification, they want to know more about your brand before they just buy. Especially if you are in the health niche, there are people have bastardized health niche, people have sold fake. People are customers now like jaded, so they want to know that, okay, before I order from this one, I want to see whether they are legit, whether they know what they are talking about, whether I will not go and waste my money and all. So you want to give people that avenue to join your community. Give people that avenue. You can have an email list, WhatsApp group. In fact, I have a course on this, email and WhatsApp. It's there for the description. Go and get that course. You want to give people that option to join your community. Those people, they are not ready to buy yet, but they need further convincing. They are interested in your product, but they are not ready to buy yet. So they need just further convincing. If you can further convince them with testimonials and everything, have content marketing strategy that will help people that are not ready to buy yet to keep hearing from you until they are ready. There are some people that will call us, say, I've been seeing your post since for like how many, I've been seeing your post for like 3 weeks now, I'm ready to buy. Hey, I bring it. Because of one post that you just made that just triggered them. You are buying audience. You want to make sure that as you are selling, you are buying audience. As you are buying those audience, apart from them buying that immediate product that you are selling, they can buy future products tomorrow. And most of the reasons why many people don't do this is because they are not selling a legit product that works. If you are selling a legit product that works, you should have community around, build a community around that product that you are selling. It will help you. It will help you introduce more products to your business without paying extra for advertising. It will help you a lot. It will help you to retain customers, like retain them, not just for them to order and disappear. What if the customer wants to buy a product again that you work for them, but they don't know where to contact you and they're not seeing your ad again? You want to make sure that place that, okay, they are hearing from you on WhatsApp, they're hearing from you from email. From there, or your Instagram page or your Facebook page, from there they are more likely to buy. So I hope that I've been able to add value to you. See, if you want to learn more about all these things I'm saying, just click on the description button. You are going to see all my courses. They are very, very affordable. I know like money. I know to like money like that, so it's affordable for you, so you can get it and learn for yourself. It will help you. Knowledge is power and execution is key. So thank you for watching to the end. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this YouTube channel before I use turning guide and pursue you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, let it grow, and encourage me to keep posting, or else I go fashion all of you now. I'm not joking. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.